Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from Fidelity NetBenefits, updated. Log into NetBenefits, then go to Accounts and select the account you want to withdraw from. Click Withdrawals or Distributions, choose an amount, and pick your transfer method such as bank ACH or check. Review tax withholding choices and any penalties, then confirm the request. Expect processing times and keep records for Form 1099 reporting, and check for confirmations. When choosing the withdrawal type, pick the option that fits your needs and retirement rules, such as partial withdrawal or full distribution. Review any early withdrawal penalties, required minimum distributions, and tax withholding percentages before proceeding. If you select direct deposit, ensure your bank is linked and verified to avoid delays. Double-check the dollar amount and destination account, then submit the request and save the confirmation for your records to avoid surprises later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more updates. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof meal prep containers that make lunch logistics easy and less stressful when handling paperwork and finances. Check the description for the product link and other deals related to tools I mention. Thanks for watching this short pause. Now let's get back to the video. Always confirm every detail on the withdrawal screen, including the exact dollar amount, destination account, and tax withholding selections before you hit submit. Note the estimated processing time shown and any transaction fees that may apply so your expectations are clear. After submission, download or screenshot the confirmation and any transaction ID and monitor your bank for the deposit. Keep these records for tax season and potential disputes to ensure everything is traceable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.